Here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20, and let me show you how to activate and use voice assistance, which is Talkback in general, in the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, find and pick settings. Now go to the accessibility and then select screen reader right here. So if you would like to activate Talkback, so you'll be provided with spoken feedback to what you can see on your device, just click on this button. And then allow voice assistant to have full control of your phone by tapping on allow. Just click it once and then double tap to select it, and this is how you will use your device once Talkback is on.
Voice assistant on, screen reader, showing items 1 to 5 of 5.
As you can see, this is how it's look like. So if you will mark something, you will be provided with details. So let me click on the back button.
Navigate up button. Double tap to activate, double tap and...
So as you can see, you have to select some particular option, for example this one,
Visibility enhancements, change size, contrast, and color to meet your needs in list 10 items.
And if you would like to open it, just click twice on it.
Visibility enhancements, showing items 1
and then
to
to go back,
back
mark
button.
it. And if you would like to switch Talkback off, just select it. Double tap to select it, and then you can switch it off the same way. Just tap on the voice assistant and then double tap to turn it off. Confirm that you would like to shut it down by tapping on double off. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily activate screen reader in your Samsung Galaxy S20, how you can use your device with it and then switch it off. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.